Uncover released Jailbreak up to iOS 12.1.2. It successfully works on A11 Apple devices only. Partial support for A12 devices such as iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR. There was not any jailbreak solutions for A12 devices or any Apple device running iOS 12.2 for a long time. Recently, the new JB team released Hexxa for iOS 12.2. It was the revolutionary method to install third-party apps, themes, and tweaks to iOS 12.2 running all iPhones and iPad models. Hexxa is an online solution. It's not a classic jailbreak tool. Hexxa doesn't access the system root of your iOS device. It's 100% safe installing and uninstalling apps, tweaks, and themes using Hexxa. Let's see how Hexxa works. You can install the English version of Hexxa from our website. Visit iOS 12.2 Jailbreak page from the Safari browser of your iOS 12.2 running device. Tap the Download Hexxa button, then tap Allow. OK, now you must open your settings to continue the installation process. Tap Profile Download. Enter your passcode. Congratulations! You have now installed Hexxa. Now you can install your app, themes, and tweaks from Hexxa. You can find a massive number of repo collections and install thousands of jailbreak and third-party apps, themes, and tweaks to your iOS 12.2 running device using Hexxa. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can find all the download links in the description given below. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to support our ad-free YouTube channel.